Echelon Smart Connect X-Max Bike Pricing explained what you get for your money. The Echelon X-Max bike retails for about $799, with a monthly subscription for live and on-demand classes. Most people think it's just another stationary bike, but the surprising truth is that it's a fully connected fitness system with an immersive workout experience. The X-Max features a 21.5-inch touchscreen, adjustable resistance and real-time performance tracking. With the subscription, you can access thousands of live and on-demand classes including cycling, strength, yoga and meditation. The leaderboard and group rides foster a sense of community, making workouts more engaging. Echelon's app tracks metrics like cadence, resistance, heart rate and calories burned, helping you monitor progress over time. The system also offers scenic rides and specialty programs for beginners, endurance training or high-intensity sessions. For your money, you're not just buying a bike, you're investing in a connected home fitness ecosystem with expert coaching and community support. In conclusion, the Echelon X-Max delivers excellent value with its combination of hardware, interactive classes and personalized metrics, making it a great choice for anyone looking to elevate their home workouts.